There was a lot of noise in the marketplace. A merchant was in the middle of the crowd, shouting at the top of his voice.
I have lost my pouch! I have lost my pouch with dollars in it! Oh, my money! Please find it! I will reward anyone who finds it!
A poor beggar who was sitting outside a shop saw the pouch lying among some things by the roadside. He picked it up and found it contained $100. Being an honest man, he took it up to the merchant and asked,
"Is this the pouch you are looking for, sir?"
The merchant snatched the pouch out of his hand.
Yes, this is mine,
he said.
"Then will you give me the reward, sir?"
asked the beggar.
Reward? What reward? There were $200 in the pouch I lost. But there are only 100 in this. You have taken my money, and now you want a reward,
said the greedy and dishonest merchant. The beggar was very hurt and angry. He was not dishonest. The argument went on, and people in the crowd took sides, and there was a lot of noise. Finally, the beggar said they should go to the king to settle their dispute. So, both of them went to court. The king heard them and then instructed the minister to settle their dispute. The minister said,
"You are both right. This merchant lost his pouch with $200. You have found a pouch with $100 in it. Is that right?"
Yes, sir.
agreed both men.
So both facts are true. Since this pouch does not contain $200, it cannot be the one that the merchant lost. And since no one has come forward to claim this pouch with $100, it belongs to you as you found it.
Saying this, the minister gave the pouch to the poor beggar, who smiled gratefully and took it, bowing low before the king and the minister. The greedy merchant stood stunned, because he had lost even his own $100. The king laughed at the justice the minister had meted out. The merchant had learned his lesson the hard way.